We saw the HP Pavilion X360 2-in-1 last year, and it was a good-looking device that packed in some really good features. The brand has launched the HP Envy X360 2-in-1 Laptop 14 that packs in Intel Core Ultra processors and has AI features inbuilt. Hey everyone, my name is Ishan, this is Gadgets 360, and in this video we share our first look at the newly launched HP Envy X360 2-in-1 Laptop 14. Before we proceed, make sure to hit the bell icon to be notified whenever we post a new video. So let's get started. The new HP Envy X360 2-in-1 Laptop 14 is a sleek laptop with an aluminium chassis that weighs 1.39 kg. It is available in Meteor Silver and Atmospheric Blue color options and 4 configurations. It can be used like a regular laptop as well as a tablet after flipping its display 360 degrees. The top-end variant features an IMAX certified 14-inch multi-touch 2.8K OLED display with an 89.5% screen-to-body ratio and 16:10 aspect ratio. It uses a variable refresh rate of 48 to 120 Hz. Consumers can buy the optional HP rechargeable MPP 2.0 tilt pen to create and interact with the touchscreen display. This pen can be charged with USB Type-C and offers a real pen-like experience with 9G of pressure. The laptop comes equipped with Intel Core Ultra processors and an NPU which helps deliver better battery optimization. The laptop uses a design language that most HP users are familiar with and has a full-sized keyboard with a Microsoft Copilot button on board that takes you right into the generative AI app. The keyboard is backlit and the keys feel quite responsive. The laptop uses a matte finished chassis with the chrome HP logo on the top cover. It uses rounded edges for the body that look quite good. At the bottom of the laptop, we have the air vents to keep this machine cool. The HP Envy X360 2-in-1 Laptop 14 has up to 1 TB SSD and 32 GB LPDDR5 RAM and runs Windows 11 Home. The laptop offers a variety of ports which include 2 Type-A ports with USB 3.1 support, an HDMI 2.1 port, a headphone microphone combo jack, 1 Type-C port with USB 3.2 Gen 2 support, and 1 Thunderbolt 4 USB Type-C port. The laptop features a 5-megapixel webcam and has quite a lot of AI-enabled features and is powered by a 3-cell 59-watt-hour lithium-ion battery that can be charged up to 50% in 30 minutes according to the brand, using the 65-watt provided charging adapter. HP claims 14.75 hours of battery life for the Envy X360. The HP Envy X360 2-in-1 Laptop 14 is priced at Rs 99,999 for the base variant and goes up to Rs 1,37,999 for the highest spec variant in India. Let us know what you think about this new laptop from HP in the comments. See you guys in the next one.